In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Leonardo AI. We'll walk through where to find community creations, how to filter them so you see exactly what you're interested in, and then how to explore your own work and feeds inside the library section. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, whether you're browsing for inspiration or trying to track down something you've already made. First, log into your Leonardo AI account using your usual details. Once you're on the main homepage after logging in, scroll down until you see the section called Community Creations. This is where you can explore artwork and projects created and shared by other users on the platform. In this Community Creations area, you'll notice different options that let you filter or sort what you see. Common filters and categories include things like trending, new, top, video, photography, animals, anime, architecture, character, food, and sci-fi. These options help you narrow down the type of content you're looking at. If you click on trending, for example, the page will refresh and show you community creations that are currently popular. Choosing new will highlight the latest uploads, while top usually surfaces highly rated or frequently engaged with pieces. The more specific categories like animals or architecture are especially helpful when you have a clear theme in mind. Every time you select one of these filters or sorting options, the gallery of community creations will update automatically to match your choice. You can change filters as often as you like, so feel free to click around and see what's available. Now, if you're not just browsing other people's work and instead want to search through your own content, you'll need to move over to the library section. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main toolbar. In that sidebar, find and click on Library. This is your personal hub inside Leonardo AI, and it's organized into a few different tabs to keep things tidy. Inside the library, you'll see a tab labeled Your Generations. This is where you'll find your own creations that you've generated using Leonardo AI. It's the best place to revisit past projects, continue working on ideas, or simply review what you've made so far. Next, there's the Follower Feed tab. This feed focuses on content from creators you follow. It's useful if you're keeping up with specific artists or styles and want a more curated view than the general community section. You'll also see a Liked Feed tab. This collects the creations you've liked, making it easy to return to pieces that inspired you or caught your eye earlier. Instead of trying to remember where you saw something, you can just open this tab and scroll through everything you've previously liked. Finally, there's the Collections tab. Collections allow you to group and organize creations in a more structured way. You might create collections around themes, projects, or moods, and then add community pieces or your own works to those collections. Over time, this becomes a powerful way to manage references and ideas. And that's it. By using the Community Creations section for broad discovery and the library with its different tabs for your own works and personalized feeds, you can search and navigate Leonardo AI efficiently and confidently.